Firmware updates messing up your settings can feel like a total pain, but you can totally fix it without losing your mind. So, first off, before hitting that update button, back up your settings if you can. Most devices let you save a profile or export settings. Next, make sure your device is fully charged or plugged in so it doesn't shut down mid-update, which can cause even more problems. If you notice your settings got wiped after the update, don't freak out. Go into the settings menu and see if there's an option to restore defaults, then reapply your preferences. Sometimes updates change settings layouts, so take a minute to explore the new menus and get familiar again. If certain features stop working or look different, check online for firmware update notes or forums where others share tips on tweaks. Also, give your device a quick restart after updating. It helps settle things down. If things are still off, try resetting the device completely and then reloading your saved settings. Finally, keep your firmware updated regularly because some updates fix bugs that caused previous settings issues. One of the biggest headaches with firmware updates causing temporary loss of settings is not backing up your preferences beforehand. Without a backup, you have to start from scratch every time. To avoid this, always save your settings profile, especially for complex setups like smart home devices or networking gear. Another common mistake is skipping the restart after an update, which can leave devices in a wonky state. Just powering it off and on again usually fixes that. Lastly, people often ignore update notes or user forums that explain what changes to expect and how to fix new issues. Reading those can save you a lot of frustration and get you back on track faster. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work from folks who actually need their skills. It's a solid way to make sure your home projects go smoothly with pros you can count on.